Alright guys, it is Stone back from team 16911, the Rig Hunting Pasta Bots. Today we're going to go back to another very simple Scratch tutorial, one that's very fun. So, if you were back in 5th grade, you probably, had a lot of fun with friends choosing different mouse trails. These trails that follow your cursor and just go around the screen. And so basically we're going to recreate that in Scratch today. How do we do that? Well, let's find out. First of all, let's choose a sprite, right? I don't like the original Scratch cat. It's too normal. So let's see. Anything that looks interesting. Let's take a look. Why don't we do the rock? There we go. I like the rock one because my name is Stone. Let's use the rock, okay? So we want to do control. Yes, we want to go forever. So, and then we want to go motion and go to random position. Well, if I click that, it just goes to random position, right? We don't want that to happen. So we want it to go to mouse pointer. So now when I click this, it's going to go to my mouse forever. Got it? All right. Now we want to just, when the flag is clicked, it does that automatically. So I'm going to do when flag is clicked, which is in control events. And so now when flag is clicked, this will follow me forever. Now I talk about making it, repeat itself and have a trail after it. How can I make that, right? One way I could do is I could create a lot more sprites, but that is not fun, right? Who wants to do that? But the simple way to do that would be creating a clone of yourself. And that is found in, let's take a look here, create a clone myself. So if you take a look, if I click that, it makes a clone. If I click that, it makes a clone. Wow, this is like meiosis in biology. But anyway, so yeah, when I click that, it makes a clone. Now we want to give some effects to the clone. So we're going to do when I start as a clone, okay? And then we can put, let's see, we can, well, let's repeat 10 times first. Repeat 10 times. We can change its looks or stuff. So first of all, we can change the color, right? We can change the color by 25. So what does that do? Let's take a look. So, okay, look at that. Create a clone. Create a clone. And now it changes the color, you see, very rapidly. But now the clone stayed on the screen. And that's not exactly what we want, is it? So what do we do? Well, we want to delete this clone after it changed the color by 10 times. So we want to go back to this control and we do delete this clone, right? And so now, if I, one second, if I click that, oh, it'll be gone in 10 seconds. So you actually don't see it. But if I put it in here, like this, now you see we have made a trail of rocks, of stones, technically. And I think this is really cool. I just show you the basics of it, how to make a trail and make it disappear. But you can definitely expand on this. For example, instead of changing its color, we could make it fade. So give me 1 second. I think where is fade? I think it's change this effect. And we can do change ghost effect. So I think it's this. Yes. So you actually don't see the rest of it, which I don't really like. So let's see. If I make it 5, what would happen? There we go. Now it looks more like it. It actually fades like that. You see? And we can also choose the other effects. For example, we could do whirl. I'm not sure what this does, but that's a little trippy. But yeah, it turns around. It turns itself. But yeah, today I showed you a basic of how to make a mouse pointer. And we also make other very interesting videos on simple Scratch topics. So please check them out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.